Due to the increase in laptop computer users, a pointing device with high portability and performance is needed. Some slim mice with 5mm thickness were developed to improve portability, but less grabbability has been indicated as a weak point. To address this usability and portability trade-off problem, we propose a new mouse with a balloon-like inflatable structure. This mouse is connected to an air pump by an air hose. An air pressure sensor is attached to the center of the bottom frame and measures the pressure in the air balloon. Touch-sensitive pads sense when the palm presses the top of the mouse or when the thumb and little finger squeezes the sides of the mouse. A balloon can have both a thin shape and a voluminous shape. When it is flat, it can have good portability. Moreover, it can have diverse form according to the shape of a container. If the pressure inside the balloon is sensed, the motion of pressing the balloon can achieve the same effect as pressing a pressure sensor. Inflatable mouse can also provide haptic feedback via the deformed shape and reaction that a user feels from the surface of the balloon. Previous pressure-based input devices have allowed only half-dimensional input. Inflatable mouse addresses this limitation by allowing true one-dimensional control of pressure. Inflatable mouse can be used as an output device as well as an input device. If the tempo of inflating and deflating is controlled, a variety of dynamic expressions can be made. It is expected that this device will be useful for the navigation of documents or web pages. For example, on a map or a document, a user can zoom in or out by squeezing or pressing the mouse. If the user touches the top frame of the mouse, the user can maintain the current depth even when the mouse is released to turn back to its original shape. At this moment, if the user wants to zoom in or out again, it is possible to do this using the same motion. A user can also control the scrolling speed by pressing or squeezing the mouse. It is possible to select a pop-up menu item by pressing after clicking the right button without moving the mouse. If the user clicks and holds the left button and squeezes, it is possible to control the thickness of the brush as with a stylus pen. One of the other unique features of inflatable mouse is that it can be used as an output device. Although only inflation and shrinking motions are currently possible, it is expected that it can express various possibilities such as a heartbeat or the motion of taking a nap when it's not in use. To commercialize this mouse, the cable should be detached, or if the slim air pump is embedded in the mouse, it can be wireless.